Guys, igama ulindo kuhle mfana Khehla ne. Ngihamba no
Lerato Sebego.
Ngobile.
14. Ntokozo. Ulwethu. Sicelo.
It's about to go down.
so nginama questions ayi4 for Lerato Sebego ne. Question number 1. How many continents do we have emhlabeni?
7 continents.
7.
Siqala reverse ke le ndaba. Bafethu FNB umeleni. Okay, question number 2. Ngina 1 million minus 1 rand. How much do I have left?
It's 999,999.
You get it?
Question number 2. In order for umuntu ukuthi sithi uyi teenager kufanele abe na how many years?
Adolescence iqala ku-12. It depends ukuthi whether
After adolescence kulandelani?
i-teenager.
And then i-teenager kumele iqale kubani?
From 12. From 13. Yes, from 13 to 19.
13.
13 years. Question number 3. U-DStv umeleni?
Digital.
Digital satellite TV.
Well, I don't know.
Question number 4. Bunama apula awu5 endishini ne? Uthatha 3 ama-apula. Unama-apula ungaki?
Noma apply ngakhay 5 ngithatha 3 kusala 2.
Unama-apula ingaki?
Asel.
Unama-apula awungaki?
Ay 5. Bese kusala 2.
Ngasisi wami, hey, 20 rand uyiphonye. Ngobile umama kunabantwana abayi5 ne? Ulanga, ulindo, ulungile noLibo.
Ulanga ulindo ulungile.
Yeah. Umntwana ogcina bani?
Ngobile.
Okay. Ngobile is praise guys.
This is my favorite one so far.
But sala le question yokugcina le. Abagaya abafethu chocolate ne?
Yeah.
Nyangiza ngithi ma out. Okay.
Here we go again.
Lena ke difficulty rate ikhuphukile but still the same question. Ngichazeleni out uchaza email.
Absa. The bank.
I got you, homie.
African.
What?
Absa.
Yebo. South Africa ukhona yena.
African bank. South Africa ayikho Absa.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anglo Bank of South Africa.
Sunny?
Anglo Bank of South Africa.
At least we got 2 and then all man.
You serious?
Is she tiger?
Ekseba fethu olokunja medicine dropping ngoma ne I'm holding on feature umduduzi Ncube ne so nenze show guys necheck lapho ikhona wonke ama digital platforms yeah ngiyacabanga kushiwo njalo or ama streaming platforms or ama digital what nenze show nethola guys medicine I'm holding on featuring umduduzi Ncube awe nana it's awe